So are we expecting this M4 to bypass us at some
Well,
point?
I'm going to let him past because then it'll give me something to chase, or he'll have to move over and let me past. Either of which is a good thing.
Yeah.
So welcome everyone today, coincidentally, day 140 in my 140. Mileage is 16,224. That's going to go up significantly over the course of the rest of the afternoon. Finally get to take this on track. Bit nervous, rear wheel drive, short wheelbase, open diff, but I've got new tyres, fresh oil, enough material on the brakes I think for a day like today, although it has dried out. It was terrible at the beginning. So I'm going to do my best to make you feel sick.
Yeah, I think you'll achieve that.
Yeah, we'll still all go with the cameras. Oh no, I need to turn the light on.
Oh,
I put some lighting down
you've
there.
got floodlit feet now.
Yeah, there we
Nice.
go.
Yeah, you definitely.
Plan ahead, mate. Plan
You're in
ahead.
the big leagues now, mate.
So I'm in sport mode for this session. Firm dampers, gloopy heavy steering, but gives the car some slip. I'm not completely turning everything off yet, if at all. We'll see how I get on. Oh, I need to bring the bolsters in now that I've got my CG lock done.
Yeah, I think they're putting them on my car and mine again. No.
They're so good, so cheap.
Later.
Okay, we're good.
Go.
Oh my word, here we go.
And we're back. Right, here we go.
So yeah, if I brake there and then instead take this smooth all the way. Ooh. Okay, that's interesting. So I'm in firm suspension, it's still quite floaty. Oh, we've got some damp here. First big stop, although only 100. No idea whether the circuit's wet or dry. Oh, look at all that on the outside.
That's not good. No, you
That's
want to
not
avoid
good, is
that.
it? Yeah.
Wet leaves, debris.
This is going to be an interesting one.
Yeah. Because in the RS, obviously, you were
Yeah.
like, yeah, no problem, plant it, and you would just go round. Well, that seems fairly okay.
We're not doing too bad.
No.
Well, it's so, I say comfortable. It is a bit floaty.
I know, yes, I'm noticing that. It's more refined, which is not a good thing on a track. For me, personally.
Yeah.
You want it to be a bit more direct. But obviously, it's
You
a
can
140, it's not an M,
Yeah,
so
you
obviously
can
you have
feel
got
it.
compromise.
What am I doing with the gears? What am I doing?
I don't know, mate, you just...
You can feel it
Concentrate.
really pushing from the back. So if I do brake here and then be smooth on the way in,
See, this is where you're going to have to really think about just pushing the power rather than just standing on it.
yeah.
Because you
And
know,
I'm
if you
not
get it
going
wrong,
through here flat yet. I'm not even sure this car's got that in it.
yeah, it's,
No, look, how
no,
tight that is on the
yeah.
exit. No, I'm way. Ooh.
Yeah,
No, you
she's-
see, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm thinking about going for a down change there, and it's just like a Saturday afternoon drive, mate.
Yeah. Oh, if we just robbed the bank and we're trying
Oh,
to
did you feel the back going then? a
Yes,
bit?
yes, I felt everything, mate.
Oh, and yeah, it started to just turn a bit then.
Yeah, but it didn't feel like it was going to get away from you.
which was about the most I ever saw in the Focus RS.
Yeah, I think you're going to have more fun in this than the RS. I mean, the RS was great, but he's really planted, whereas
Ooh,
this...
yeah.
there you go. The old...
Yeah, it did go, didn't it?
old
Right,
pucker
it's
job.
taken a while to kind of adapt. Let's try left foot in here now. And this will be smoother on the turning. No, see, I'm still only on 80 there.
Yeah. Oh, what's up to this M4?
Is that a course car?
Oh.
Okay, that's,
That's the
that's
M4.
invitation.
Either he's got a major problem or he's just...
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. Well, at least you're catching up
Oh,
with
this is
people.
really kind of floaty.
It is. It doesn't feel as connected. Yeah, it does. It feels like it's, I don't know, like you say, like a cushion of air, as opposed to...
Yeah.
I mean, how's...
And this is dampers in the firm setting.
Right, okay. I mean, what's the steering like? Does it feel...
It's-
do you know where you are? Or you're not really...
No, yeah, I'm not having a problem with the steering at all in terms of not knowing
Right.
anything. Come on, Mr. Mustang. Let's go. Here we go. Please.
Is he?
Yep. Thank you.
Oh, squirm.
Yeah, doesn't it
that,
move?
Oh, yeah. That's the most I've ever felt. I mean, even in your Clio,
Oh.
you weren't.
Oh, the back was going then.
Yeah.
You never really felt it move like that.
Not. Well, obviously, this is a bigger car. Slightly bigger. You know, it's.
Oh, it moves.
I don't know.
like that.
And obviously, you've got a lot more power.
Yeah.
So.
I've never had the rear tyres at a higher pressure than the fronts driving on the road in this.
Okay.
Oh, got a bit of understeer there, but
Really?
to get back on the throttle and it comes back.
Yeah.
Still not. I was coming through here at 125 in the Focus, and I don't have that confidence today. I don't
Oh.
think. Not with all that through. No, you see, no.
Yeah. I think the wind's not helping.
Oh yeah, there
Because
is
it's got
that,
a high
isn't there?
wind coming across, and obviously that'll upset the car as well. Because the aerodynamics won't be on point. But, you know, I mean,
No, it's all
I
right.
got the grip, yeah. It's not a dull car to drive around, anyway,
No.
put it that way. You know, everyone's saying, oh, 140 modern, you get the M. Well, because this seems fine to me.
Pretty close as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah. Obviously, unless you've driven an M round, you couldn't
Yeah,
really compare
yeah.
it. But this is involved.
I have headlights behind me. I don't know what it is.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't seem to be getting any closer.
Not at the moment.
Oh, that
Oh.
grabs.
Yeah, but obviously you've got a slight dip there where you're braking.
Yeah, I
into,
guess.
And that doesn't help. But yeah, that's.
It was doing something then. It felt like anyway.
Yeah. How are the brakes feeling? All right.
Now the brakes feel okay.
Okay.
It's a bit keen to move, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, that thing is closer now, whatever it is.
Yeah, it is.
See soon.
It is catching.
I don't think I've got a lot left around there, you know.
No, it feels like, you know, that's pretty close to the
Tyres
edge.
at kind of 40 degrees. Okay, yeah, it's not as quick through there as the Focus, and it's harder to get it straight here.
Yeah. Just
And I'm not as
upsets, doesn't it?
confident coming in here. I think
No.
mostly because of what I can see on the outside line.
Yeah, because obviously if you just skim that, you're going to lose a lot of traction, aren't you?
Well, you're going to be off.
See, there's the M4 again. I don't think either he's just pootling around. And maybe it's his first ever track day,
Possibly.
but that is very slow. Well, that Renault's not hanging around.
No, see, here comes the power advantage.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, wait, no, he's letting me past. Now we've got to remember remember, I'm in a gear shorter.
Right, and there's a Porsche right there. So it's good to see someone actually can drive a
No,
Porsche.
exactly.
Yeah, she's not that happy under braking, is she?
No.
Come on, son, there you go. There's the way.
That's very tightly driven. Gives me something to aim for.
Yeah, like the Caterham.
Whoops. No, see, he's braking through here. I'm not going to brake, but I'm going to give it a little lift and then back on.
But then it's brakes where he might have you, because obviously he's probably got, and he's got a bit more grip with his fat
It
tyres.
does seem to have a bit more.
So these Pilot 4s you got on?
Pilot Sport 4s, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, see, I could go a bit harder on the brakes.
Yeah.
He was braking then.
Oh,
Front tyres, the front just went then. What's the temperature? 42?
Oh, they are.
No,
Yeah.
49. And he's just got the legs down the straight.
Yeah. Well, he's probably got what, an extra 150 horses?
Oh, it moves on the brakes. Well, no, see,
I
they're
don't know
probably
what
not
that
too
is.
dissimilar on the power.
That's
I
true.
don't know, I lost track on generations of Porsche and
Yeah, it's
power
separate.
levels and everything else.
Well, considering how much this car was moving, I wasn't half as scared as I thought it'd be.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe I'm getting used to it, because I've done Goodwood quite a few times now. But like I say, with the RS, I felt completely fine. And this, obviously, the first sort of lap, 2 laps, I was like, oh, hang on. But then settled down. Yes, there's a lot of movement, but it never felt like, oh God, this car's trying to kill me.
I can see. Right, I can see now why people say it's not that tied down.
No.
Much as I might lark about on the road, I don't drive hard on the road, and not to the point where you kind of discover that lack of it being screwed down. But
Yeah.
around here, compared to the Focus RS, this is a boat.
Yeah.
It
Yeah,
really
you
is.
can feel it, yeah.
It's capable, it's quick. I'm not going for lap times today. I'm going to, in the next session out, try
And that's
Go on.
with everything stiffened up.
Yeah, that was the stiff suspension. Can you
Yeah.
imagine if it was soft? I'm not even going to go there.
No.
Yeah, that was in Sport Plus, and the dampers default to firm in Sport Plus.
Yeah.
It also rev matches for you automatically, so I'm not getting to heel and toe, but so be it. I'd rather have that safety net in a new car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. That was interesting. I think I'm going to need to learn and work on how to really get it. It takes a different approach, I think, in terms of setting the car up and everything else. The Focus, you could really just dive it in nose first. I think this is a lot more about before the turning point, getting the car set, getting it balanced, and yeah. Well, the pedal was okay, so brakes seemed all right. But no nerves on your part. Not too
I'd
much.
say the initial trepidation was just the first lap, 2 laps, but then of course you had never driven it around.
Yeah.
I wasn't knowing what to expect.
Front left 60 degrees. Maybe that's why I suddenly started to go wide at
Possibly,
11
yeah,
a bit.
it could have been.
It just
going
wasn't
off.
coming back on the exit there.
No.
You felt it?
Yeah, because I thought, hang on, he's having to lift off here. Normally you can just plant it and go round, and it'll carry you around. But yeah.
I wonder if the locking rear diff will help that.
Yeah, it could tighten up, and bring the back round, and yeah.
Yeah, that was good. Really good.
At least you got the benchmark now, because
Yes, yes. Right, back round into the queue now. And the queue is much shorter.
Yeah, because obviously people have thinned out.
All right, let me just take this. Hold on.
Well, you have achieved something. I do feel a little bit sick.
Yay!
So that's good.
That's a good thing.
I've got a
Have you
slight-
taken your mic off? You did, yeah?
Yes, mate. Yeah, just done it.